I'm in a 2011 Hyundai Elantra, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first make sure your vehicle's on, which this is, and then make sure that your display is on, which this button does that. Then from here we can either go to it through setup or try to activate through your voice commands, but we'll do the setup, and then we'll scroll to phone and hit enter. And then you might need to delete a device first to make room because there's a limited number of slots. So if you need to do that, just go to the spot you want and then enter, and now it's deleting that. Alright, so back to setup, phone, enter, and then here pair, enter. And then from your device, now that that's in pairing mode, make sure Bluetooth's on, which is that symbol. And often if you press and hold that, it might pull you to your pairing menu. So sometimes this takes a few minutes or a few tries, but it popped up right away luckily this time. Alright, and then it wanted the passkey to be 0000. So type in 4 zeros.
Pairing complete.
Alright, that's it. So now you should be able to take phone calls, listen to music. For newer models you might be able to display maps and things like that. If you're having issues getting to where it'll play music, often these aux buttons, they'll get you to the right screen. If there's a media button, you might try that. But so right there it's under phone, media play, and then you'd want to make sure you've got music playing on your device itself, and make sure the volume's on your device as well as the volume here. But otherwise I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.